welcome to Crafting Unedited. My name is Sierra and today we are going to try to do sublimation tie-dye. I forgot what I was calling it there for a second. We're going to try to sublimate a tie-dye shirt. Tie-dye a sublimation shirt? You'll see what I mean here in a few moments. It is a new trend or new thing that I just discovered a few days ago and I wanted to try it. And because I wanted to try it, I wanted to show you how I'm going to do it. So a few things that you need is a blank, an image, some heat resistant tape, and butcher paper, of course. Oh, and a heat press. I got my blank from Walmart nonetheless. It is a No Boundaries tank top. It's white. Super, super soft. It's 92% polyester and 8% spandex. So very true to size, very fitted. I went with a large. Normally I wear like a small medium, but I wanted it to be a little bit looser because it is a tad bit see-through as well. So definitely worth layering. So my heat press is set to 385. Yours could be set to higher. I choose 385 because that seems to be what works for my heat press and sublimation. So let's get started. Going to make sure that you can see me, which you cannot. So we're going to tilt you down just a little bit. There you go. Now you can see what I'm doing on my press here. We're just going to pull the press plate out just a little bit here so that I don't burn myself. Make sure that I have the front side. You could do front and back, but we're just trying this out for the first time. So we're just going to do front. Thankfully, I have two of these shirts. So I'm going to lay it out. And everyone was doing different things with them. Some were doing like swirling it. Some were doing scrunching it. I'm going to do scrunching it, but I'm going to try something different because I don't want the tie-dye images where I'm going to be putting my image. So I'm going to use, we'll use this one. My roll of tape to put like somewhere in the middle, somewhere along the lines of where I want to end up putting my full image, because I am going to do a whole image on this one. And I'm just going to kind of scrunch it like you would if you were tie-dyeing. The key here, and the thing with tie-dye that I am absolutely horrible with, is that it doesn't need to be perfect. And for me, for it to not be perfectly aligned or like not messy is really, really difficult. Don't worry, no, I'm not leaving that tape thing in there. That'd be kind of silly. It would melt. The plastic part would, at least. And yes, I'm getting the straps in there. I might tape them down because they don't want to stay put. Carefully grabbing it where the press is still kind of on top of. But you're literally just pinching it, like pinching it in places. There we go. That looks like about like what I want it. So, stay put. I'm telling you, these arms, straps, not sleeves, straps, don't want to stay put. Here we go. All right, we've got that. Now we're going to take this, and because I want to make sure that I get it all on there, I'm going to trim this down just a little bit. Just a little bit. Again, my press is set to 385 for 60 seconds, and that's the full amount of time that we're going to give this bad boy. So we're going to take this, just put it on top of our shirt here. Take some heat resistant tape, if I could find the end. And we are going to tape it down. Oh, look, there's a piece too. Look at there. There's tape everywhere. Oh, lovely. I hate when the tape wraps around my finger like that. You guys ever get that? Just kind of put it. Obviously, it's not working out with the tape thing for me. There we go. I mean, I don't really need to tape this one because it's kind of staying put. But everyone else was taping it. I'm not going to be like everyone else. I'm going to be like C. Because that's how I roll. Alright, so we've got it there. Pretty much how we want it. It's a bunch of paper. And then my press is lifted a little bit. I'm going to press it. I'm going to turn it down, I guess is what you would say, as I go if I need to. I lifted it up because I wasn't sure like how high the scrunch would go. Clearly it's a bit higher than I thought. That's alright. So we'll just lower it as needed. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and press down. See? There we go. Set the timer. Now we're going to chit chat for about all of 60 seconds. Tell you a little bit about why I did this. I love sublimation. And when I saw the outcome of some of these designs, I had to try it. This would be a really, really cool project to do with infusible ink as well because you do have that full sheet already. And I just thought of that. Some of those colors that I have over there would have been really great for this image that I'm doing. Light bulb. Anyway, so, you know, those are already have the full sheet. You don't have to print it out. And it's kind of like sublimation, same process. But make sure that you have subscribed to my channel because I have all kinds of really awesome tips, tricks, trials, and errors and fails and tutorials on here for you guys so that makes your life a little bit easier. So I try first. I waste some money and some time so that you don't have to. So make sure that you subscribe, like, all that really fun stuff. And the timer's gone off. See? Got it done in 60 seconds or less. So now we are going to lift the press and turn it away. I'm actually going to turn it which way do I want to turn it? I really need to pull my table away from the wall because I keep hitting the wall. Pull this out and you can already see, well, I can, where it pressed, where it was just kind of like hanging off. I'm going to lift it, see if I like it. Oh, I like it. So fun. So super duper fun. Look at this. Look at it. Look how fun. Now, see, I did kind of whoopsie, but that's all right. On the neckline there, I did get some of the backside, but that's totally fine. I am happy with it because now I did get a little bit in the middle right there, but the image that I'm going to put over this should be fine. I think I will do the backside as well, primarily because I got some on the side there. Kind of went over a little bit. So a couple things to pay attention to when you're doing these. Look at the seams when you're pinching. Make sure that you don't get the side too far, like I did there. I did good on the other side though. Pretty good. No, I didn't. It went over a little bit. I'm not overly concerned. I'm actually in love with how this turned out. That looks really, really cool. And what I'm putting on the center of this is a beachy sunset color. So that's why I chose those colors. I'm super excited. All right, y'all. That's really it. So now when I go to press this, I don't have my other image printed yet because my computer wants to be an a-hole this morning. I'm going to let this dry for all of about probably 12 hours, something like that. Probably press in the morning. But I'm going to put my image right in the middle here where it's blank-ish, minus this little fuzzy thing. Hopefully that doesn't get in the way. But overall, thoroughly impressed. That's how simple it is. Super quick, literally took all of 10 minutes to tie-dye a shirt. And I'm sorry, you tie-dye lovers, but you can't get images like this with just classic tie-dye. So I'm so excited. So excited. Alrighty, make sure that you subscribe, like this channel, all that good fun stuff. I love you, and thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.